Good morning, Alexis, and thank you for inquiring about the Hyundai Palisade. As you can see, I've got one right here behind me. Comes with a lovely background headlights, daytime running lights, alloy wheels, LED turn signals, blind spot detection. As you can see, this has got a lovely grey leather interior. Comes with 12-inch touchscreen, sunroof, backup camera, Android or Apple CarPlay, lane keep assist, has so many features. I know you're coming in at 12 o'clock to test drive this beautiful vehicle, but they all give you 5 years, 60,000 mile new car warranty, 10-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty, which we exclusively double to 20 years, 200,000 miles at no cost to yourself. My name's Mark, so I'll see you at 12 205 720 6581.